Here we have a very nice antique pine wardrobe. This one dates from around about 1900, and like most of our wardrobes, this will fully dismantle for delivery, so no problems going upstairs and what have you. You've got panelled sides and some pretty little feet at the bottom, and the door, as you can see, is also panelled, just a single door. The lock and key are all fully working, and the door has external French style hinges, so as you can see it does open fully wide. Now inside there's a brass hanging rail, and as you can see there's also a shelf at the top for putting shoes and bits and pieces. It's nice and deep, this one as well. The code number is L3805D. It's already wax polished and the price is £697. It's 77 inches high, 42.5 inches wide. The external depth is 24.5 inches. The internal depth is 20 3/4 inches, so deep enough to hang even the largest of coats.